Today we're taking a look at the Christmas tree stand for live or real Christmas trees. It does come with instructions and it is already put together, so let's check this out. The first thing we're going to do is move this little red knob into the unlock position. So when it's down, it's actually locked, and then when you press it up, it's unlocked. And then you're going to lift this up and it opens up like so. And then I'm just going to show you as an example. It has a little metal piece in the center. So I'm going to press the trunk down into that little metal piece. And then you can use your foot to do this. Or your hand if you wanted to bend down. But all you're going to do is press this down until it tightens around the trunk of the tree, like so, and then you're going to lock this in place. So now you want to press the little red button, lock into the locked position, and now your tree is secure. It's not moving, as you can see. This actually has a water indicator, so you can see you don't want to go over the max fill line, and then you can see when you need to refill it. So let's actually pour some water in here. I think this is a really nice invention. It's a lot easier to use this than the old school tree stands. And you can see it's starting to move up here. So I'm going to pour a little bit more water. You can see it's moving up more. I'm almost to the max fill line. So I'm going to, there we go, leave it at that. That is perfect. So no more bending down under the Christmas tree, trying to tighten the screws around the tree. You just use the foot pedal. You just put your foot right here and tighten it right up. And then you can just use tap water and it's going to tell you when it needs to be refilled. So this is a super awesome product, and you can actually fit up to an 8-foot real Christmas tree with 5.1 inches in diameter. And again, no assembly needed, and it's nice and heavy duty. And it has this cute green color with these cute stars on it. Really nice product. I was compensated for this. I hope it helps.